Abdurrahman bin Ayman asked Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu while Hazrat Abu Zubair radiyallahu anhu was listening to it, "What about a man who divorces his wife in her periods?" Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said, Ibn Umar in Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam times divorced his wife while she was menstruating. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu asked its precept from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, he must take his wife up. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, he should then either keep her or divorce her when she will get clean after menses. Hazrat Ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu said that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited this verse. Translation: O Prophet, when you people divorce your women, then divorce them at the time of their prescribed periods. Surah Talaq, verse 1. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3655.